Oh, hey! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Janelle, also known as KraziiCurls on Instagram. Make sure that you guys follow my account. I like to post a lot of different hairstyles and I just like to keep it open. So make sure you go check it out and see what my page is all about. But today, this video will just be about my high bun and how I achieved it. Let me tell you real quick, it was a fail in the beginning and you guys will see why, but I was able to make it work. Oh, and if you like what I did with my face, make sure to let me know down in the comments. Tell me if you like my high bun and how I achieved it, but also tell me what you think about my makeup. I would love to film a tutorial, but only if you guys want to see it. So if you want to see it, say yes down in the comments, and that's about it. So let's get into this video. So I'm going to show you guys how I do a big bun. This is day 3 hair. I haven't been wearing it in a wash and go just because I don't want to. So yesterday I wore it up in a pineapple, and today I'm just going to put it in a bun. Okay, so since I already have product in my hair, I'm not going to add any more, but you are definitely welcome to add whatever styling products, creams, gels to get your hair nice and slick back. The key to a slick back look for me is definitely adding more water, especially if I already have product in my hair. So all I'm doing is just brushing it up, getting it nice and high into the position that I want. And then, of course, praying that my hair tie doesn't break because the struggle is real. So I will not tell you guys whether my hair tie breaks or not. You guys will just have to see for yourself. So I'm going to be quiet just so you guys can see. Did that just happen? Yes, it did. You just never know. So now we have to start all over again. Thankfully enough, all I'm doing is just adding water and brushing it up. So I speeded up the clip. I sped up the clip just because you guys don't need to see it all over again in, real time. And I can just tell you guys the hair tie did not break, which was super great, super awesome. And as you guys can see, I'm super happy. Okay, so after that, all I'm doing now is just again brushing my hair up, making sure that I don't have any bumps and my hair is nice and slicked upward, and I'm just putting it in a messy bun. This does not have to be perfect. I like the messy look, and I'm using my thumb and index finger to just open it up. And you can just open it up and make it as big as you like. So since I'm somewhat satisfied with my bun, all I'm doing now is just laying down my edges. Normally this is so easy for me, but I struggled and you guys will see that. So I really want to know, how do you guys lay your edges? Do you lay them at all? Do you use gel, cream? Do you use an actual edge control? Let me know down in the comments. I would love to talk about it. So initially when I did my edges, I actually used a leave-in conditioner, and obviously that didn't give me any hold at all. So I eventually went back and actually used an edge control to just lay my edges down. So I really want to know what edge control you guys use, or gel or cream, to lay down your edges so we can discuss it. And that's it. That's how I do my high bun. Real quick, real simple. Can be quick if your hair tie doesn't break, but push through and move forward and you get this nice big bun. It can be bigger, open it up. It's like a flower. Open it up. Nothing too crazy. Boom. So I'm about to get off camera, do my eye makeup, and then come back to finish this look right here. Super cute, super simple, and that's it. I'll be back. Oh, hey. So I am back and I just did my makeup. Obviously, this is not a tutorial for makeup, but I definitely wanted to give this bun a nice little vibe. So I hope that my high bun and my makeup look that wasn't filmed serves as an inspiration. I think a high bun is definitely great for any occasion. Peace and love.